Hello everyone and welcome to eepos India. While eepos is known for its best-in-class material handling solutions and lightweight train systems, today I would like to talk about a new product, eepos Base. eepos Base is essentially a media column which houses power, air, that is pneumatics, and Ethernet or internet communications. All the media essentially comes into this one media column, and this serves as a distribution source for any requirements which the customers may have. This solves a very important problem for our customers of planning and also anticipating and preparing for future changes. Let me show you how this actually is achieved. So what you can essentially see here is the power distribution board. The next side is the pneumatic distribution board, and on the other side we have got the Ethernet distribution. Now imagine when we start a project, the customer has planned for 4 power distribution boards. What if he needs 2 more? Then all he has to do is take out the blank one over here or remove one of the pneumatic ones and add a new power source on top here with a new switch. This is the flexibility which media column offers. What's more also interesting, we can use the media column to also house tools which are required for any purpose, whether it's in rework area or on the assembly line. So this media column is eepos Base, which is easy to install, flexibility to the production systems, and future planning, all made easy in one section itself. A range of such media columns have been installed by many of our customers, which has allowed them to increase their productivity, plan the media properly, and very important is it looks fantastic. Thank you everyone for watching, and stay tuned for more solutions from the innovative world of eepos.